first, and then I'm going to show you guys exactly how to do it. So let me just turn this stuff on. Hey guys, do you like the game No Limit Drag Racing 2? Well guys, I am someone that has actually been able to locate a No Limit Drag Racing 2 modded game. So here we are with unlimited resources. Just kidding, there's nothing there. But look, I got a whole friggin' mod menu. I'm going to turn on free gold, and let's see if the gold goes up. So as you can see guys, this is the amount. It's really poor, but I'm expecting some new results since I just enabled unlimited gold. So let's see if it goes up guys, and then we're going to talk down and dirty video guide on how to get no limit. Yeah, it's going up. Look at that. Oh my gosh. So I'm going to show you guys how to download this to your device. iOS and Android, no jailbreak, no computer. Alright, so first things first, my hearties. Go to the browser, type matrixmods.com, look for No Limit Drag Racing 2, press download, and then the last thing we have to do is the verification, okay? So what you have to do is download 2 apps and follow the instructions, 100% for free from the official app store, and then we'll get the modded No Limit Drag Racing, okay? So let me just wait for this to load, and as you can see guys, it's going to say missing files. So what you have to do is download 2 of these apps. They're all free. So like Travel Town, Match, you know, they're pretty simple. This one's like down run for 30 seconds. No, this one you have to reach level 10 actually, but that's not too hard. I mean, I don't know, maybe it takes forever. If that's the case, you could do something like this. Moto Casino. They literally want you to find the app by typing in a certain keyword and then download the app and open it up. Bruh, do you know how easy that is? Oh my gosh. So go to settings, make sure background refresh is on, alright? Very important that you do this, because what it will do is it will make your phone be automatically updating stuff in the background, which is very good. So there you go guys, Matrix Mods, that's how I get No Limit Drag Racing 2 free stuff. So I'm going to see you guys later. I'm a really big advocate for modded games and stuff, so I think a lot of people need to try this out, but it is legit. So peace out, brotherhood. This is awesome, bro.